Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting trick to share with you how to use the airplane mode glitch on an iPhone for Monopoly Go to get infinite dice. So let's dive right in. So first of all, you will need to grab your iPhone and get comfortable. The trick here is to toggle your device into airplane mode before you roll the dice. Once you have done, you just have to go ahead and take a roll aiming for a 100x multiplier. If you land on a spot you are not happy with, here is what you need to do next. You just have to exit the game and uninstall the application. Yes, you heard it right, you need to just uninstall it. Then simply reinstall the app from the App Store. I know this sounds tedious compared to the Android method, but trust me, it's worth it. After reinstalling, you just have to log back into the game using your credentials. It should take you back to the start of the screen and you will find that you have the same number of dice as before. Essentially, you get a risk-free roll at that 100x multiplier without losing anything. Now here is a crucial step. If you like the roll results, quickly switch off the airplane mode to reconnect to the internet. This step ensures that your progress is saved to the server. You have to do it quickly because leaving airplane mode on for too long will eventually bring up the no internet connection warning, which can block you from playing further. The beauty of this glitch is that it allows you to keep rolling until you get the results that you want. Need a 10 instead of a 7? No problem, just keep at it until you hit your desired roll. This strategy can help you land on those coveted railroads, beat tournaments and rack up rewards. I hope this glitch helps you to stock up dice and win big in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Happy rolling. See you next time.